Hey guys, how's everyone? So you think Honda and Acura are the only ones that have recalls, especially with all the videos I've been doing on the recalls recently. But now Toyota just came out with one, and it's actually includes Lexus and Subaru as well. So a little interesting for that. But let me go ahead and share exactly what they just announced. And this one affects about 100,000 vehicles. So it's a pretty good size recall, guys. So like I said, a lot of recalls been coming out, and it seems like it's going to be a thing of the future where more and more vehicles are being rushed to production, which results to a lot more issues coming along later on that we all find out as consumers. But like I said, 100,000 vehicles just got recalled, and it includes Toyota, Lexus, and Subaru. And believe it or not, it all comes down to this button here. It has to do with the defroster system. And these are the cars that it affects. And if you're going to notice something about this, it's all the electric vehicles. So it's the 2023 to 2025 Toyota BZ4X. Then you have the Lexus RZ and the Subaru Solterra. Now, like I said, those are all the electric vehicles from each of those manufacturers. And it makes sense that Toyota and Lexus, since it's a parent company, and then Toyota also owns part of Subaru too. So it makes you think it's kind of the same system if they're recalling all the same vehicles here, or not the same vehicles, but these three vehicles from different brands with the same exact problem. So the issue is, and this is why it's a safety recall, because it has to do with your safety, but the defroster and defogger systems in these vehicles can fail to work. So according to the report, that some of the HVAC systems could be the electrical compressor, can cause the defroster and defogger system to not work or be temperamental when it does work. And of course, you can see how that could be a safety thing, especially those cold mornings you get in your car, the windows are foggy, you start your system, it starts working, then you're driving, then all of a sudden you know it's getting fogged up again, and it's not really helping. It can be kind of frustrating, but more importantly, it can be a safety issue too if you can't really see out your window. So the good thing about this is it's a simple fix. You can go to your dealer, and what most of these cars will need is a simple software update. So it's super easy. They plug a computer into it, change the parameters, and then that'll work. And it says that's a majority of them, but a few of them will actually need to have the electrical compressor replaced. So again, it makes it sound like a majority of them are just going to be a simple update, but then I guess some of them have more of a technical issue, so they're going to have to replace the actual compressor. But again, you'll be getting letters out, and it states here that they'll start mailing them out October 20th of this year, so next month. But like I always say, I would definitely give your dealer a call, and I'll put all the numbers in the description, the customer service line that you would call, and also the recall numbers for all of these, for if it's a Toyota or Lexus or Subaru, which you'll refer to so they can look in their system and find out if yours is one of the cars that included. That really helps them too, so they're not just guessing, because every recall has a specific recall number, so they know what you're talking about. So again, I wanted to bring this to your attention because, like I said, Toyota's very popular vehicles here. Not too sure on these certain ones. I haven't really seen any driving around, but being that it is about 100,000 vehicles, I wanted to make sure everyone's aware of it so they can get that fixed. Because like I said, you don't want to be driving your car or somebody that you know driving the car and then you can't defog the windows. It could be very bad situation, especially at nighttime too. So again, I just want to bring this to your attention. Hope everyone's having a good day out there, staying safe. I appreciate it as always. If you have any questions, comments, leave them below. I'll get right back to you. Until next time, guys, take care.